This is why you need professional landscape lighting from Express Service Group Inc. Imagine your garden bathed in a warm, inviting glow, every pathway perfectly illuminated, every tree and shrub highlighted just right. At Express Service Group Inc., we specialize in transforming your outdoor spaces with custom landscape lighting solutions. Our expert team designs and installs lighting that not only enhances beauty, but also boosts safety and security. Whether you want to create a cozy ambiance, accentuate your garden's features, or simply light up your driveway, we've got you covered. Contact us at 843-488-4503, anytime 24 hours a day. Let's bring your outdoor vision to life with beautiful, efficient lighting. Express Service Group Inc., where your landscape shines bright.
Now remember, don't stress. Call Express for all your electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and water and fire restoration needs at 843-488-4503. Again, that's 843-488-4503. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll stay up to date with Express. We appreciate you sharing our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to watch the next Express video. Thank you for watching.